Hi.
Hi.
Hi, this is Halak, and we had this Youth Affairs Minister Anurag Thakurji give them the awards. So they got into the salt category.
Yes.
Other than the Youth Affairs Award.
Yes.
So I don't know about what is exactly the salt. Would you like to tell?
I'll talk about it.
Yes.
So it is social entrepreneurship on agri-business ideations to bridge the gap and actually talk about the problems our farmers are facing today. It's to make them agri-entrepreneurs or agri-pruners, which is what the farmers' bills of last year are also talking about. Now the best part about this is it's a collaboration with United Nations Volunteer, United Nations Development Program and the Ministry of Youth and Sports. And what it gave us was not only a platform for representing our startup ideas, but also a platform for networking, because we had 850 people from across India who are doing something for the farmer community in India, either technologically enabling them or solving the biodiversity and sustainable solutions problem, or they're actually looking for the more nutritional value in the food that we eat. So we networked well, we got the best platform to represent your ideas, and yeah, that's about Salt Challenge for you.
That's wonderful. Now you've got the award, and
Yes.
Anurag Thakurji said that you need to collaborate.
Yes.
So I want to dwell on that. Like I find you people, since you people are startup guys.
Yes.
So how do you want to collaborate now to take it in the future?
Yes.
You also get awards more awards in the future, and then you build up a
Definitely.
team of people who come here, under your
Definitely.
inspiration. You're the mentor to them.
Definitely.
How do you want to
So
go
we are
about it?
not really mentors, because we are here to serve the people who are the Annadata to India. So farmers are our mentors. But having said that, I'd love to spread this message. So I am with an idea called Kheti Hal, which is Uberization of drones. You heard it right. We are talking about giving drone services like an Uber AI
Really?
platform
Wow.
to farmers
So
where
maybe
they can
even
book.
media people can
Yes.
get drones from you,
Yes.
You could hire and
So it will be crop specific. It will be Krishma, Grishi, all the seasons, and we will not only help them in seeding, planting, spraying, checking their crop, but also in these calamities that happened last year about locust attacks, damage assessment for claim settlements with the agriculture banks, and a lot more things. And the National Fasal Bima Yojana made it validated unmanned air vehicles in this February.
Yes.
So our idea has already gotten the validation
Wonderful.
from the ministry. And not only that, what I wanted to say is I am a Mumbaikar who is from the urban areas trying to solve a rural problem. So I'm a misfit. But the rural youth are the right people to take my idea ahead. So I cannot have the wings to my idea without your collaboration. Everybody is welcome to connect and network with not only me, but with this idea of Kheti Hal for the Kheti Har.
very good. I have some friends waiting, your friends. So I want them to invite you. Come here. Come join them on the left and the right. I'll go behind the camera, please.
Definitely.
Introduce yourself. Speak a little loud since he's having the mic. Yeah. And so this is it.
Yeah.
Please.
So I'll show you all the power of networking with these amazing, brilliant minds.
I wanted to do it this way. But
Yes.
My friend wasn't there, so I said, let us do one. by
Not
one.
an issue.
Yeah. So kindly introduce yourselves.
Hi, I'm Kiran and I'm from Bangalore, Karnataka. I'm representing Team Pyascan AI in the Salt Challenge, and I'm very thankful to them for having invited us here to be able to network with such great minds and to be able to brainstorm, co-create the solutions for further impact.
Exactly.
Yes,
Good.
thank
Thanks. What about yourself?
Yeah, hi. Namaste everyone. I am Nikki Kumar Jha and I belong from Bhagalpur, Bihar. I hail
Okay.
from.
I've been to Bhagalpur,
Wow.
I went there in '83 when Asiad.
Oh wow.
We were going to Shikarji Ahmed Jain.
Ah,
we stayed
Samit
at
Shikharji.
Bhagalpur Sam Jain Mandir.
Jain Mandir. Yeah,
Yes.
Good to meet any person from there.
That's exactly 500 meters from my house.
Okay, तो कभी दोबारा आएंगे.
Exactly.
When we get more old.
Yeah.
So you talk about your what did you get the award for?
Yeah, so basically I belong to a small village there, and my village is blessed with the production of fruits and vegetables. But more production doesn't mean that there is more range in income of marginal
Right,
farmers.
right.
Yes.
So there is a large proportion of the fruits and vegetables that get wasted. So what we have done, because I've grown seeing this problem of wastage of fruits and vegetables. So what we have done, we have conceptualized a solution, which is one of its kind that doesn't require any cooling, neither any chemical, to extend the shelf life of fruits and vegetables anywhere between 3 to 30 days, just by using 10 watt of power. Because I have a village background, so I know India is electrified, all the villages are electrified, yes, but for how many hours? That's a big question. Okay, so we have we have taken the design thinking perspective to solve this problem, and we have taken all the parts, like, you know, we have sit with the farmers, we have taken all their inputs, and we have conceptualized this storage. And on the name of maintenance, it only needs 10 watt of power and 1 liter of water, just it, no further maintenance is needed. And you will be shocked to know about the cost. It only costs 10,000 rupees for a capacity of 250 kg.
वंडरफुल।
Wow.
मैं आपसे ना मैं असली में इंग्लिश में करता हूँ, बट हिंदी में मैं जानना चाहूँगा, ये जो आपका भी जो एग्रीकल्चर फेयर हुआ था, कृषि विज्ञान मेला, इसमें नरेंद्र सिंह तोमर जी, तो वहाँ पे एक सोलर कोल्ड स्टोरेज का लॉन्च हुआ था, विच इज लाइक काइंड ऑफ अ पोर्टेबल कोल्ड स्टोरेज। दिस इज समथिंग वेरी डिफरेंट एंड anybody can do it, you know. I can do it at my house or my farm, something. तो हिंदी में थोड़ा सा 2 मिनट के लिए बोल दीजिए, and then we'll go to Vinod.
Okay, perfect. So the entire thing you want to in Hindi?
हाँ, हिंदी में वो जो आपका जो कोल्ड स्टोरेज का, because that will be a lot of people, you know, वो हिंदी में इसलिए है कि किसान जो है, इंग्लिश में इसलिए कि everybody in from any language, and अगर आपको और कोई भाषा भी आती है तो उसमें भी बोल सकते हैं।
हाँ बिल्कुल, like I can use different languages. So नमस्कार, मैं निक्की कुमार झा हूँ। मैं बेसिकली भागलपुर बिहार से आता हूँ। मेरा जो क्षेत्र है वह फल और सब्जियों के प्रोडक्शन के लिए।
फल सब्जी का नाम भी बता दें, क्या फल और क्या सब्जी?
जैसे आम के लिए सबसे ज़्यादा मशहूर है। इवन जर्दालू आम जो वहाँ का है वो राष्ट्रपति भवन हर साल भेजा जाता है ताकि वो डिग्निटरीज को सर्व किया जाए। इसी तरह लीची के लिए फेमस है।
हाँ, लीची आई न्यू, बट आई डिडंट नो मैंगो की बिहार में अदर मैंगो।
सो हमारा रीजन बहुत ही ब्लेस्ड है फ्रूट्स और वेजिटेबल्स के प्रोडक्शन के लिए, क्योंकि हम लोग गैंगेटिक बेल्ट में है और एलुवियल सॉइल है हमारे पास। तो लेकिन ज़्यादा प्रोडक्शन कभी भी यह नहीं सूचित करता है कि ज़्यादा फार्मर के इनकम में इंक्रीज होगा, और उल्टा ज़्यादा प्रोडक्शन मतलब ज़्यादा वेस्टेज भी है, क्योंकि फल और सब्जी जो है वो हाईली सक्सेप्टेबल है, मतलब बहुत ही जल्दी खराब हो जाता है। अगर आप उसे बाहर रख दें तो वह सिर्फ 1 से 2 दिन में खराब हो सकता है।
इसका टेक्निक आप बताइएगा, सो दैट यू नो आप हर जगह नहीं पहुंच पाएंगे।
बिल्कुल।
इतना 139 करोड़ पॉपुलेशन है, तो आप ऐसा कुछ 2 मिनट में बताइए कि कैसे लोग अपना एक कोल्ड स्टोरेज बना लें जो जिसमें
बिल्कुल
घरेलू।
तो बेसिकली हमारा जो आविष्कार है वो बिल्कुल एक पोर्टेबल स्टोरेज है। उस स्टोरेज का जो वजन है वो 9 kg है मात्र। आप कहीं भी उसको ले जा सकते हैं। आप लद्दाख के ऊंचे पहाड़ों से लेकर के कन्याकुमारी तक, मतलब अटक से कटक और कश्मीर से कन्याकुमारी, आप कहीं भी इस स्टोरेज को प्लेस कर सकते हैं। और इस स्टोरेज का खासियत है कि यह किसी भी टाइप के इस पे ठेला पे, रिक्शा पे, ई रिक्शा पे, वैन पे, ट्रक पे
ऑपरेटेड है।
ये बैटरी ऑपरेटेड है और सिर्फ इतने छोटे एक कार साइज की बैटरी से ऑपरेट होता है। और इसको चलने के लिए सिर्फ और सिर्फ 10 वाट की बिजली और 1 लीटर पानी की आवश्यकता होती है, और किसी भी चीज की नो फर्दर।
कोल्ड कुछ जनरेट करते हैं अंदर, इट्स कोल्ड और इट?
ये वर्ल्ड का वन ऑफ इट्स काइंड, ये पूरे विश्व का एकमात्र ऐसा ये है जिसमें कि बिना कूलिंग किए, बिना किसी केमिकल को यूज किए हम लोग फल और सब्जी के सेल्फ लाइफ को 3 से 30 दिनों तक बढ़ाते हैं। तो आखिरकार हम करते कैसे हैं?
वही चीज आप शेयर करेंगे ना, सीक्रेट आपका, सीक्रेट ऑफ दैट कोल्ड स्टोरेज आई वांट यू।
सो बेसिकली हम लोग क्या करते हैं, हम एक कृत्रिम इन्वायरमेंट बनाते हैं फल और सब्जी के आसपास, और वो कृत्रिम इन्वायरमेंट हम लोगों ने बहुत ही रिसर्च के साथ पाया है कि क्योंकि हर एक फल और सब्जी के लिए हर एक अलग अलग टाइप का कृत्रिम इन्वायरमेंट होता है। अब उस कृत्रिम इन्वायरमेंट में जब आप, हमारे स्टोरेज में क्या है, एक रेगुलेटर, पंखा में जैसा रेगुलेटर लगा रहता है वैसे एक रेगुलेटर है। आप 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 कर सकते हैं और अलग अलग टाइप के फल और सब्जी को रख सकते हैं। तो एक ही स्टोरेज होगा जिसमें कि हर एक टाइप का आप कृत्रिम इन्वायरमेंट बना करके हर एक टाइप के फल और सब्जी को रख सकते हैं। और तो और इतना ही नहीं, आप सबको एक साथ भी रख सकते हैं। हमने एक मोड ऐसा भी दिया है जिसमें कि आप सबको एक साथ रख सकते हैं, ताकि आपका मतलब ऐसा नहीं हो कि अगर, क्योंकि
इससे बिग कंटेनर, बड़ा कंटेनर
है, वो 300 kg तक का कंटेनर है, और इसका कॉस्ट सिर्फ और सिर्फ 10,000 से 15,000 के बीच में है।
अभी क्योंकि आपके और फ्रेंड्स और शायद आप लोग को भी जाना है, तो मैं चाहूंगा कि आपकी सीक्रेट को रोक लें यहीं पे। और एक आपका वो जो होता है ना यूट्यूब वाला होता है, क्या डू इट योरसेल्फ वीडियो, जैसे किसी ने बोला कि मोटरसाइकिल में यू मेक इट रिचार्जेबल, तो वो आप हमें देंगे तो हम लोग उसको दिखाएंगे। तो थैंक यू। नाउ टू योरसेल्फ।
Hello.
Your name?
I'm Vinod.
Vinod,
I'm Vinod
yeah.
Raj, and I work from Kasaragod in Kerala.
Little louder.
Come near me.
Sure.
He's the mic man.
So I'm Vinod. I work from Kasaragod in Kerala. Kasaragod is famous for only one thing. and it's for poisoning of endosulfan. Endosulfan is a pesticide that was used by state estate nearby, and it polluted the water source, which resulted in mental retardation, and it was there for around 20 years, and every child that was born in that particular area had any of at least one issue. So that's where I started working. So we work to avoid chemicals from farming, and our main product is that we make plants capable of fighting the pathogen in such a way that we make ourselves fight the diseases. That is, we trigger and retain plant immunity in such a way that the plant will fight the pathogen by itself. It will defend itself. So by making that, the farmer doesn't have to use any fungicides. The plant is capable of protecting itself. So essentially, we are helping farmer avoid chemicals from farming.
Okay, so you're doing it only in Kerala, in that
No,
state, or you're going to other states as well?
So we are currently working in Karnataka and Kerala and looking to expand to Punjab very soon.
Right.
So yeah, we are expanding not only in Kerala and Karnataka, but currently we are active
So
in
what are
Kerala.
the plants which are right now under this?
So we currently focus on plantation crops. Plantation crops in the sense aracanut, coconut, ginger, pepper, and these are the current.
What about tea? Since you have
No,
tea
actually,
there,
tea
like-
doesn't have much of a plant diseases. They use it for insects.
Right,
So
right.
there is that changes. So
And
yeah.
this year, Kerala, you have rubber plantation.
Yeah.
There's also no disease in the.
Yeah, it does have a
It does
disease.
have?
It does have a disease in a rainy season. We actually had a product for rubber plantation, but we currently not working on that because there is lot less area compared to all
Alright,
other.
okay.
So it basically costs 50% less than the current alternatives, while increasing the yield by 30%. As we are basically making this plant capable of protecting itself, we are making it stronger. So it will also impact its yields. That we have seen that it increases the yield by 30%, while our product costs 50% less than what they are currently using.
So you want to go this in a big way in the future,
Yes,
like.
yes. And also in case of aracanut and coconut, these are quite huge plant, and spraying is not possible. In our case, there is no need for spraying. You just apply to the root. You dilute this with water
At
and
the
apply
time
to the
of
root.
planting the crop, is
No,
it?
not no. It is usually used when there is risk of planting. That's another problem statement actually. Currently, what farmers does is they follow calendar. They follow calendar for application of pesticide, and it's not required because they have to understand the risk factor there. This year is the perfect example because there was delay in rain in southern part of India, but farmers started spraying pesticides even though there was no risk of getting any plant disease or insect because it was not season for them. They need humidity for at least 1 week to even start spreading. But farmers were using fungicides even before that because they follow calendar. It was already July, so they started spraying. So that's another
Okay,
problem statement
alright.
altogether. So we currently do have a product in prototype for that. So we have this application that predicts the plant diseases.
Okay, it's an app on the Google
Yeah.
Play Store.
No, it's not active.
So not an
It's
app.
not active. It will be active for beta testing in next September.
Okay, so what do you call the app? What's the
We haven't named
Okay,
it
you'll
yet.
call it, whatever.
So yeah, you can just look for St. Jude Herbals. You'll surely find. I mean, that will be the account name, but you'll surely find an app in by the end of next month.
Okay,
So it will be
wonderful.
beta testing. So I invite all of you to be our beta testers to help us improve
Yeah,
that
we'll
more.
certainly
Yes.
do. I'm connected to this scientist, Dr. J.N. Govil.
Sure, that's
He
great.
was at IARI Pusa. He's although retired 13, 14 years, but he's still active, you know. He's
Yes.
written books on anti-aging.
Okay.
So I was making his documentary.
Okay.
His 50th wedding anniversary last year, but we couldn't celebrate.
Okay.
So, but his own documentary, so he took me to interview the director, and we went to Pigeon P, you know, Har Har Ka Dal, that cultivation.
right.
So, first time I've seen that.
Yes.
You know.
Yeah.
So, that time now he's also got an assignment from Balkishan ji, that Acharya Balkishan ji, to edit his books on plantation and all.
Okay.
So, I would like to, this video would be specially, you know,
For
I would
him.
like to just send him, and he would have
Definitely.
his views.
Actually, for the Pigeon Pea, we currently doing trials at ICRISAT. ICRISAT is a international institute for semi-arid crops, and as Pigeon Pea is one of such crops, we're currently running trials for that at ICRISAT.
Wonderful. Great. I think now, since you know, you people need to rush back.
Yes.
So, anything you, one of each of you, to give a message.
Sir, I would like to
Yeah,
take a
please.
minute to
Yeah,
introduce
yeah.
the initiative that
Kindly.
you're working
Yeah,
on.
We missed out on your part. Yeah. Please join.
Please.
Yes.
Right. So, hi, I'm Kiran, as I earlier introduced, and we are working. I'm working in a company which is PureScan AI, wherein we have made a device which can detect aflatoxins, adulterants, pesticides in your plate. And by doing that, we are empowering the producers and consumers. We are teaching farmers how to grow the crops the right way so that the toxins and adulterants are less in their produce and they can get better prices. Our device is connected to an e-marketplace where farmers can put up their produce, it's quality graded, and the right buyers take the right produce. This eases sourcing for the industry, and this gets farmers the higher income. And this empowers you, most of all, what you eat. Because in India, 40% of peanuts are supposed to have aflatoxin on the basis of research, and none of us know, and it leads to cancer, hazardous diseases like cancer and multiple more. So yes, this is what our initiative is about.
When I think I saw you coming in the, to receive your award,
Yeah.
so they announced artificial intelligence.
Yes,
AI.
yes,
Yes.
yes. AI.
So I was thinking, I don't know what the ministers. He was very friendly with you all.
Yes.
So he was asking some question. And
Yes.
Nikki was, I think, very, he was trying to tell him something, and then we realized that he has to stop. in
Yes.
between. So when you were there, so you want to say what the minister, how was it with you with the minister? What did he
Oh
ask
yes,
you?
he just asked about a few questions about initiative. One of which was if we have tested and validated our technology, and yes, we have. We are working with ICRISAT as this guy is also working with ICRISAT. We are also working with UNFSS, wherein these organizations are collaboratively helping us take this impact forward.
Wonderful. You want to say what you had some words with the minister? on
Yeah,
the
he was
stage?
very supportive actually. He didn't ask me any questions, but he was very supportive. He was saying that that's a very good initiative what we are doing, and yeah, he was saying that he wanted to meet all of us.
Yes.
So we are hopeful.
Yes.
Initially, when it started, so there was more questions. You
Yes.
want to say something?
Yeah, Anurag sir asked me about अच्छा ड्रोन के साथ मतलब यूथ भी इन्वॉल्व होगा मैं बोला हाँ सर रूरल यूथ तो इन्वॉल्व होगा ही वही आइडिया है
INB minister.
Yes.
We will call you someday private,
डेफिनेटली
And you also had some word. What did you say to him?
So basically, I introduced him to one more of my working project which I am doing. So
उनको सुनाई
basically,
नहीं दे रहा था ना इसलिए मैंने पूछ लिया आपसे.
so basically in that project, what we are doing, we had made a device that can be retrofitted into public urinals and toilet.
Okay.
You go urinate in the real time. You can have access to all your healthcare information on the smartphone.
Wonderful.
Oh wow.
Wow,
So
that's
this
great.
is my another.
So has it
initiative.
started this
Yeah,
thing?
yeah. Basically, we have developed the proprietorship technology on which we are using reusable electrochemical sensors to predict the biomarkers from the urine.
Wonderful. Wonderful.
So basically, 8 lakh death per year is just due to the kidney disease. And kidney disease once, you even doesn't know that whether you have kidney disease or not. Once it's revealed, you have either only two options: either you go for dialysis or you go for kidney transplant.
Right.
And we have the capacity to detect kidney disease at stage 0.
Right.
So this I was explaining to the minister, so he told me to meet in person.
Yeah.
And,
मेरे को लग रहा है कि all of you are going to get to very soon,
Yes,
They're
hopefully.
also free. I'm sorry. Yeah. You also want to say something now. You're president in the United Nations. So say something. No? Okay. Thanks so much, friends.
yeah.
Bye.
Thank you.
Take care.
Thank you.